Exercise 39. Write a program that asks the user for some numbers and then prints the average of those numbers. As a reminder, average is calculated as sum of values divided by number of values. There's a hint given here that you need a list. So, first we create the list that we'll need. We create a blank list. Then we use a loop, and we'll use what is known as while true. This means that this loop will run permanently, or rather the while condition does not check. While true basically means that run this forever. Sometimes it is discouraged that you should not use this format because it does not make it clear what conditions will break the loop, but sometimes it makes sense to use it. In this case, we put our condition immediately. You'll see it in a few minutes. So the user should enter Q to quit. So we check that here. If user input dot lower, equals lowercase q, then we break from our loop. Else we convert our input into an integer, then we append it to our list. Okay, so if the user types Q for quit, then now we continue outside the loop. We're supposed to find the average. So first of all, we get the sum of the numbers. We can use the sum function. Then number of values. We use a len function. So the average so that should do it. Let's try it. Enter a number 2, enter number 4, enter number 6, enter number Q. It tells us the average is 4. Is that correct? 2 plus 4 plus 6, that is 6 plus 6 is 12, divided by 3 is 4. So this is correct. Our average is 4. And our loop works properly. When you type Q, it quits. Okay? So that's the end of the exercise. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please like. Please share. See you in the next exercise.